Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about MailChimp, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn on reCAPTCHA for your MailChimp forms? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn on reCAPTCHA for your MailChimp audience form anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes bots are going to submit a huge amount of forms through your MailChimp, and to help prevent that, you can turn on reCAPTCHA. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your MailChimp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my MailChimp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to turn on reCAPTCHA, it's going to be handled in the audience section. So here on the left side, you're going to click on audience. So in this MailChimp, I only have one audience. So if you have more than one audience, you want to be sure to choose your audience. Once you've chosen the audience, you're going to see this pop up here on the left, along with all of your contacts in the audience. However, to turn on reCAPTCHA, here on the top right, click on more options. Once you do that, you're going to click on audience settings. Once you do that, you're going to be in the audience settings menu, and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see the form setting. So in order to turn on reCAPTCHA, look for this line, reCAPTCHA for single opt-in forms. You can see mine's disabled. So all you're going to do is check the button and it's going to turn green. Okay, so now anytime someone's going to opt into one of my audience forms, they're going to be presented with reCAPTCHA, and you can click right here for more information. And as you can see, MailChimp says that it helps prevent bots from adding fake or malicious email addresses to your audience. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn on reCAPTCHA for your MailChimp audience, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.